Who started Wheel and Lumber?
I'm the president of the company. I'm the fourth generation. My great-grandfather started this business back in 1940. And my dad and my uncles built it up. They were primarily farmers, my grandfather was, in their source of income, but they had a small little sawmill here, mainly used to help assist local farmers. That's kind of how the whole thing started.
What parts of the tree are used?
Well, coming from the forest to get into the log yard, the timber is cut down, usually hand cut by chainsaws, and then skidded out.
Cutting down trees is very beneficial, and beneficial to the land. It's also beneficial to timber because of wildlife.
The bark is used for landscaping. The outsides of the tree they first cut at the head rig, that scrap, as well as from the edger, is used for wood chips. And that wood chips can be used for making paper or making heating pellets out of it. Then everything else is board and the pallet stock out of, or a semi-finished product that our kitchen cabinet industries use in, or furniture industry. Zero waste. The entire facility is heated, use the sawdust from our sawmill. So these silver buildings here are dry kilns. We have 12 of them for a total capacity of 750,000 board feet, drying 24/7, 365. They never shut down.
What skills do you need to work here?
Make sure that hardwood and dimension products go out the door on the truck properly. Just depends on the month and what the customer wants. Organized, and you have to make sure that you're focusing on that order to make sure it's filled properly. Communicate between your building supervisors. The right product is going on the order. But being organized and communication is the biggest thing. So we sell all over the United States, across the ocean.
What's so cool with manufacturing?
By double checking our programming, then 2 people will sign off on them. Scanning technology, definitely one of the pros is that there's never 2 days that are the same. The cons, moving parts, so breakdowns, things that are out of your hand. Relationships that I've built with my customers. I was really excited to see things come from the log finished product rolling out